Hey guys, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Bittorrent token. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the current price of the BTT token. What's the price changes token the BTT token? Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. Now guys, the current price of the Bittorrent token in the market is going positive and a lot of people are very happy about the BTT token. But guys, now a lot of people message me on Telegram, on Instagram, that the price is going negative from yesterday. What should we do? So guys, first of all, I told you that please don't look the one-day result of a coin. Just look the previous last 1 month. Just look the previous last 1 year. Just look the previous last 2 weeks. Price changes in. Take a decide on the basis of these changes, but don't look the short-term changes over in the Bittorrent token. My friends, every coin, every cryptocurrency is fast for some time, but does not mean that you decide to sell, that you decide to buy. No. That does not mean to you decide to sell, buy. No, you have to look the previous last 1 month changes, last 2 week changes. That's how you can make profit. So guys, you can see the last 1 week changes is positive and last 1 day changes is negative. So that does not mean that the last 1 day changes is negative, so you decide to sell. No. Guys, that is a profitable coin and every coin is fast down for some time, for 1 day, for 2 days. That's not mean that you decide to sell after 2 days fast. That will again explode. So there's still opportunity with all of you. Buy now the BTT token and make a huge profit. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.